Hi guys, how are you? Hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you two products which I absolutely love and I've been using that products and my skin has shown a great difference using that products. I have used the products for more than a week and I really can see the difference in my skin. If you want to know which products I'm using, so stay tuned. Okay guys, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell right next to it so that whenever I upload a new video, you are notified for it. Now let's get started with the video. So this is the Glamorous box they have sent me, and since then they have sent me, I have been using these products and I am been stunned by the result. Amazing results I have got. So I will show you the products. So this is how the box is. You can see they have sent me these two products. One is their body slush and one is their facial oil. So this is how the packaging looks like. You can see it's a body slush breakout controlling multi-purpose body mask. It's target blemishes, nourishes and soothes. And it's a very nice mask. If you're about to break out on your skin or you know pimples are going to come, then this is a savior for you, because in the wedding season I have been doing a lot of makeup and because of that I've been getting breakouts. So I just applied this on the breakouts and you will not believe, I really found the results. Here I was breaking out and I really found the results. You will also see I have done the process for more than 1 week. So you will get to know what I'm talking about. So this is the first product they have sent me. This is their body slush breakout controlling multi-purpose body mask. You can use it anywhere, like on your body, like on your arms. Many people get pimples over here, on bums, on the back, on the face, on the body. Anywhere you can use this. It's a very nice product. So it targets blemishes and nourishes and soothes it. So what is written on the packaging is a body slush is a power packed body mask that targets and terminates breakouts anywhere on your body and anywhere on your face or body. So you can coat wherever the problem area is, you can coat a layer of it and you can keep it for 15 minutes and then wash it with water. It's an amazing product. All the products are cruelty free, paraben free. It's vegan and they are dye free, silicone free. The product retails for $4.45 and it's an amazing price for the product and for the result they are giving. So this is the first product and I'm really loving it. We'll see the process also how I've done it. So this is the first product. Now moving ahead to the second product. So this is the second product. This is how the product looks like. Glamorous Dream Skin Daily Radiance Facial Oil. And it's a very nice oil. I have used this oil and I can tell you, I can swear by this. You will really, the name says itself, it's a dream skin and you will find a dream skin after applying this. Because I have used it, I'm telling you, you at least have to apply for a week and you will see the results yourself. It has some nice ingredients in it. It has saffron in it. It has tamuna in it and many ingredients which will really help to keep your skin soft, hydrated. So this will really help you to boost your radiance. It will really help you to keep your skin plumpy. It will keep your skin very hydrated, soft, and this oil will really help you to lighten your dark spots like I have, and I really got the results using this oil. And this oil is very lightweight. It really gets absorbed into your skin and it's a very lightweight texture. It doesn't feel greasy or oily on your skin when you apply it. How you have to apply it, you just have to take 2 drops and at the night and just massage it into your skin until it gets absorbed into your skin and you will get to know the results. So this is the oil and it retails for $8.99. So this is how the packaging looks like. I have been using this oil under my makeup and it is giving me amazing result because it really gets absorbed into your skin and will make your skin very soft and supple and hydrated. So winters has arrived and this facial oil will really help you to keep your skin very hydrated. So I will show you the process. Now let's see the process I have done and you will see the result in my skin. So it is giving a cooling effect on my skin and I'm feeling very cool. So you can see I have applied on the area where I think it will break out. So you can see It's giving very nice cool feeling. So now let's see and let's keep it for drying. And this is day 1. I have started this process. So now let's get started. You can see I have washed my face and I feel really good. You can see over here. So now I'm going to apply the second product, which is their facial oil they have sent me. You can see. So now I'm going to apply this oil and I'm going to do this process for 7 days and I'll show you the process. You will get to know the results with me. So guys, now I'm applying. This is day 1. You can see. So now let's see. I'm going to take this oil, warm it up a little. Then I'm going to just dab it into my skin. You can see. It has some amazing smell to the oil. It has nice smell and it's very mild. You can see it's getting completely absorbed into my skin. It's a very lightweight oil. You can just dab into your skin. You can see it has completely absorbed into my skin. It's a very lightweight oil and I'm just loving the oil in the first day itself. Now let's see what are the results ahead. So guys, you can see the day 1 I started, here one pimple was popping out and now you can see it's completely gone and you can see the difference in my skin. It's literally glowing. So you can really use this oil and you can see the results yourself. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please like and share my videos. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Bye guys. Take care. And if you want to buy these products, all the links are in the description box below. Okay guys, bye. Take care and do come here for more such videos. Bye guys.